Imagine you're sitting at your desk, staring at your computer screen. You're considering investing but feel overwhelmed by the options. You've heard about robo-advisors, but what exactly are they, and is Raiz one of them? So, let's dive into the world of robo-advisors. These automated investment platforms have been gaining popularity in recent years, offering a convenient and affordable way to invest. They use algorithms to analyze your financial goals and risk tolerance, then recommend a personalized investment portfolio. But here's the thing, not all investment platforms are created equal. Some might claim to be robo-advisors, but operate more like traditional brokerage firms. So, the question remains, is Raiz a true robo-advisor? What is Raiz? Raiz is a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. It's designed to be accessible and easy to use, making it a popular choice for beginners. But is it a robo-advisor? While Raiz does offer automated investment options, it doesn't provide the same level of personalized advice as a traditional robo-advisor. Its algorithm simply allocates your funds across a diversified portfolio of ETFs based on your chosen risk level. Key differences between Raiz and robo-advisors. Here are some key differences between Raiz and traditional robo-advisors. Customization. Robo-advisors often offer more customization options, allowing you to adjust your portfolio based on your specific goals and preferences. Raiz options are more limited. Advice. Robo-advisors typically provide personalized financial advice and guidance. Raiz doesn't offer this level of support. Fees. Raiz charges a low annual fee, while some robo-advisors may charge higher fees. Is Raiz a good option for you? So, is Raiz a good option for you? If you're a beginner investor looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, Raiz can be a great choice. However, if you're seeking a more personalized investment experience with advanced features, a traditional robo-advisor might be a better fit. In conclusion, Raiz is not a traditional robo-advisor. It's a micro-investing platform that offers automated investment options but doesn't provide the same level of personalized advice and customization as a full-fledged robo-advisor. Whether Raiz is the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and investment goals. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, Raiz can be a good option. But if you're seeking a more personalized investment experience with advanced features, you may want to consider a traditional robo-advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.